This is how to speed up your video or slow it down. Open your Capcut and make sure it has the latest update. So all you have to do is to have your video here and click on it, and next click on speed, and here is your speed. For example, I want to speed up 2 times and it will look like this. And now I want to slow it down a little bit, so I'm gonna grab this and set 0.5 and it will look like this. It's very slow. I'm gonna set it normal again. And if you're editing your video and want some parts to make normal and some parts sped up, just split part you want to speed up by clicking Ctrl B. I made 2 separate clips and this part will be slowed down or sped up. Again click Ctrl B, click on the middle clip, again speed, and I'm gonna slow it down, and next clip I'm gonna speed up 3 times. So it will all look like this. This is normal. This is slowed down. And this is sped up. Thanks guys, hope it helps. See ya next time.